kayong mag-alala kasi itong gobyerno na ito para ito sa mahirap. Did I not tell you noon? Sinabi ko sa inyo, itong gobyerno na ito para ito sa mahirap. Makita naman kung sino yung binibira ko, yun yung hindi bumabayad ng buwis at riding on the popularity because it's so popular. It's a fad now to have this kind of shows, ano-ano, but yet abandoning their duty to government. And you ask protection from government in your business. In return, you pay your taxes correctly. You do not pay your taxes correctly, ayan ang nangyari sa inyo. So, there will be no opening. I assure you, lahat ng franchise yan, hindi ko i-implement yan hanggang they settle their full accounts with government. Wala kayo, sabihin lang ninyo na bigyan kayo franchise. For all I care, you can have 1,000 franchise. You will not see the light of day there until you come to government with clean hands. Ika nga he who comes to equity must come with clean hands. So, kayo magsabihin na maligaya kayo, wala akong galit. Bayaran mo lang ang gobyerno. Ako, sasaludo ako sa inyo 5 beses. In full attention. Hindi ako galit. Presidente ako yung maliliit na bagay na ganun. Personal. But the bigger issue, the bigger picture in the background is really yung mga atraso ninyo sa taxes. Yan ang totoo dyan. And no franchise will ever be implemented. Baski na bigyan ninyo ng 5,000 franchise yan. Hindi ko implement yan. Settle your account with government and yung lupa ninyo na ang binabayad ninyong taxes, you are occupying something like 44,000 square meters. Nasa sinabit ninyo na bapa ng lupa is 4 hectares. Kayong Pilipino, kayo namang galit na galit, hindi nyo alam. Buti kayo kay mayaman. Yung mga mahirap na umaasa lang rin. Ito mga vaccine, gobyerno ang mga gastos. Kala ninyo ganun lang kadali. Bigyan nyo yung amo ninyo. Bayaran ng tamang buwis. And before opening, we will have a very short, serious talk. Do not compel me to do something which is not lawful. Just because you give them a franchise, it does not follow that all of their misdeeds in the past are condoned and forgiven.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.